Today we're going to show you how we built the easiest 4K gaming PC we have ever built thanks to NZXT.
NZXT was nice enough to sponsor this video to showcase their awesome power supplies, perfect for any PC build. Today we have their C1500 watt, which is perfect for ultra high-end gaming PCs, being that it is ATX 3.1 ready with two 16-pin 12-volt power connectors, an 80+ platinum efficiency rating, and a cybernetics titanium efficiency rating, while also rocking a zero fan mode where the power supply is silent under 60% usage. You can also opt for their 80+ gold power supplies as well that come in wattages of 850 watts, 1000 watts, and 1200 watts. For this PC build in particular, we do recommend the C1000 gold for this build because 1000 watts is plenty for a 4080 Super and Ryzen 7 7700, but for this video we wanted to showcase NZXT's best of the best. If you want to save a little bit of money when playing this PC, definitely opt for the 1000 watt version. But you know, if you're somebody who plans on upgrading in the future or are worried about the future of graphics cards and how much power they're going to pull, this 1500 watt is a great investment. To learn more about the power supplies that NZXT has to offer, check the link down below. And big thanks again to NZXT for sponsoring today's PC build video. Now let's go ahead and show you some other NZXT products and put together this awesome PC and see how it performs. But now we talked about the new power supplies that NZXT has to offer, let's go back in time and talk about all the parts for this build and show you how to put it together.
So for a gaming PC to be able to play games at 4K, you don't need the highest end top of the line CPU. That's why we have the Ryzen 7 7700. This is an 8-core, 16-thread processor that has a great upgrade path because it is on AM5, it is DDR5 supported. It even comes with a stock cooler that we will not be using, of course, but it's a very power efficient CPU. And when you're playing at 4K, the CPU is really not doing a lot of the legwork. It's really the GPU, which we'll talk about in a minute. For the cooler, we have the NZXT Kraken 360, a very simple name like we were just talking about, but it does have the LCD display on it. I guess that's what pictures are for. And this is a 360 ml liquid cooler. Like we said, this does come with a stock cooler, so you don't really need 360, but we do have a great upgrade path in mind, as you will see with the whole trend of this build. And once again, not going super top of the line, we could have gotten an X670, but instead we have this B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. But as you can see, it has the features of an X670. We have two 8-pins for the CPU, 4 RAM slots, we have a lot of expansion such as M.2s and PCIe, and we even have a lot of VRM covers that are heatsink. So still a very nice, very sleek board without spending those X670 prices. We could have gotten RGB RAM, but we didn't. We got some T-Force Vulcan DDR5 32 gigs at 6000 megahertz. We opted for the kind of like blackish gray color scheme, so it'll look really nice and we won't have to mess with a whole lot of finicky software getting our RGB set up. Instead, we can just run NZXT cam and get all of our RGB good to go. For storage, we have this Teamgroup G50 2TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD. This thing has a maximum speed of 5,000 megabytes per second, so it's a pretty fast Gen 4 drive. And we really do like these Teamgroup drives because they offer some of the best bang for buck.
So for a high-end PC build like this, we need to bring out the big guns. And this is the reference RTX 4080 Super for my personal PC here at the office, because we felt like the original idea of using, I don't know, like a 7800 GRE for this PC wouldn't be enough. So we decided to pull out the 4080 Super, which is pretty close to 4090. Really awesome graphics card, pulls a decent amount of power. Obviously, you don't need a 1500 watt for this thing. You could probably get away with a 1000 watt if you want to go that route, especially from NZXT, but this is going to be our 4K ready GPU. And when pairing it with a, well, mid-range to high-end CPU like the Ryzen 7 7700 in 4K, I'll be interested to see what the benchmark results are like. Now, the star of this PC build is this 1500 watt 80+ platinum power supply from NZXT. As we talked about at the beginning of this video, NZXT has a wide range of different power supplies, and if you do want to build this PC around $2,100, which if you don't, you will be spending more like $2,400, $2,500 for this crazy PC. You can opt for their 80+ gold power supplies, which you would recommend. Honestly, with this configuration, you could get away with 850 watts or 1000 watts and save a good bit of money. But for those who want overkill power supplies and really care about their power supply quality, and maybe you want a ton of extra wattage, because this thing comes with two 16-pin power connectors, by the way, which is absolutely crazy. You want to rock dual 4090s, you could go with this power supply. But again, in this video, we're mainly showcasing the power supplies that NZXT has to offer, but you can definitely save some money going with their lower wattage versions. For this build, we went crazy and we're gonna put it in there, and it's not really gonna change performance too much if you go with the lower wattage version. Now, this is a newer case from NZXT. They've already had the H7 Flow, but they made a newer version of it, the H7 Flow RGB, which has this like interesting RGB fan layout. We have 3 RGB fans up front, but it's not just 3 RGB fans. It's actually their RGB F360 core that is pre-installed right here, which is all fans connected, ready to go up front. And it does have this interesting layout down here where it can get more fresh air from the bottom. On the back, we also have more ventilation spots as well. It is a dual chamber design in a case that normally doesn't look like it would be dual chamber. It's actually pretty cool. And all in all, this is a very premium NZXT case that'll house this very premium PC build very nicely. Now what we're gonna go ahead and do is put this thing together. We're gonna load it up with all this awesome NZXT stuff, especially these power supplies, and then we're gonna test this PC in 4K gaming. Can that Ryzen 7 7700 work well, the 4080 Super in 4K? Well, we gotta test some games and find out. Let's put it together and see how it performs.
Alright guys, we are deploying into the Warzone 2.0 and we are currently running a Max FOV Ultra Graphic preset and we're doing 4K with normal DLSS on balanced.
So yeah, obviously DLSS is helping us out a bit here, but when you're playing a game like this where you're wanting to target the 100 plus FPS rather than a really clean like 90 to 100, which is the 4080 Super specialty at 4K, running with some DLSS will help you out a bit here.
Oh, there is a doorway, I was wondering.
Oh, wait a minute, what is happening?
Oh,
no.
I guess I should have been shooting the other guy.
Yes.
Where'd he go?
Oh, the explosion hit, oh, there he went. I was gonna say the explosion saved him.
Oh, and he already armor plated, of course.
Ooh,
My goodness.
that was close. Bail, bail.
Parachute.
Maybe it was a longer tail and just came back. Damn.
Holy crap.
Or not.
He missed it. Oh. Wow. I honestly thought I was going to have him because he missed so many shots at me at first.
There he is.
Yeah, you're not getting away this time.
Yeah. Oh. Melee, melee.
I smelled him. Why is this gun not reloaded?
No shot.
I'm so bad, dude. That's
no.
So bad. I think the resurgence was over too.
Oh,
no.
Wait a minute.
What in the controller? That was our little Warzone run. 4K. Very easy for this PC, guys.
Thanks, Tim. All right, guys, everyone's favorite, Fortnite at 4K. We're running DX12 performance settings. Obviously, this isn't like ideal, but some people, hey, get a 4K monitor, run performance settings, want to see all the pretty visuals of 4K and run on lower settings. So we'll see what this thing holds up like, but dropping in, we're definitely pushing that 7700, but I imagine it'll settle out. Again, first drop. We are running DX12. So we'll see what we end up with. Even on performance settings, it still looks pretty good. I will say not running performance mode does help out a lot, especially with a PC like this. Please don't run performance mode. It honestly runs worse than if you just ran DX12.
I ain't sure. Oh my God, they almost
Ooh, I thought. Beware the ghost.
Whoa.
Really?
Whoa.
Huh?
No damage? He had the fizz out.
What is happening? What was that? Come here, cow! Oh no!
Oh,
I should have thought that would happen.
You just got played.
Like that. That's so rude. I can't. Actually, you know what? I can't believe it. What was I
there's
doing?
another car though. Are they in the back?
They are! Alright!
Oh!
Alright!
Oh!
Hey, you gonna take me somewhere, Uber?
Oh, this is one way to do it.
Wait, hold up. That didn't work. I'm running out of ammo. What is happening?
It's kind of keeping you alive.
Will I get banned for teaming here?
Oh, I think they bailed.
That was a grunt. Hey, buddy!
He's a runner.
Just give me a little...
Oh, they're finally confronting you. Oh, they're running.
Are you kidding me? Finally!
Yeah.
Hold up.
Whoa. Is that Thanos?
Huh. What am I looking at here?
Oh, that's the other super dude. Oh.
He had 4 HP. I don't understand this game anymore. It's something. It was Magneto, by the way. But hey guys, what we're going to do is we'll run some other benchmarks. We'll run some more demanding games, show you guys what this combo is capable of, and talk more about those NZXT power supplies during the outro. But all in all, this combo works pretty well, and if you're building a PC and you're looking for a power supply brand, you should definitely consider NZXT.
We just finished benchmarking this $2,500 NZXT gaming PC, and honestly guys, it's pretty crazy to think that a couple years ago you were looking at over $5,000 if you wanted to consistently play 4K games. We just showed you today that with the help of NZXT and some other great companies out there, you can play pretty much any game you want at 4K now.
And that's even using a power supply you don't necessarily need. If you want to have a ton of wattage or upgrade in the future, spend $2,500 on this system, you'll be very happy. But you can even opt for their 1,000 watt unit as well and save as much as like $150 to $200 on this build. The choice is yours with all the NZXT power supplies that are on the market. Now let's talk about the other benchmarks we ran. We ran Ghost of Tsushima at 4K max settings with no upscaling, and we got 60 plus FPS. We also ran the new Steel Nomad benchmark from 3D Mark and got a score of 6,644. Let us know if you want to see us switch over to Steel Nomad instead of the 3D Mark Time Spy we normally run for all our future PC builds. And then we ran the finals 4K on epic settings with DLSS set to balance and got 90 plus FPS. All in all, 4080 Super and 7700 performed pretty well. Pretty decent combo if you want to save a little bit of money when trying to get into 4K gaming and you want to go NVIDIA. And big shout out again to NZXT. You definitely should consider their power supplies for your next PC build, whether you're going for a mid-range to high-end or ultra-high-end with a 4090. They got options for you using the links down below.
So as always guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
And if you guys didn't know, we do have every other social media you could ever think of. We have X, we have Instagram, we have Facebook, we got TikTok, we got Discord, we got it all, guys.
You might see me dancing over there on any of those social media platforms. Check those links down below for more Toasty Bro stuff. See you guys later. Goodbye.